Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. Just wanted to share a little tip with you this morning. So I've been doing quite a bit of plastering, and you may have seen in a previous video that, incidentally, before I even touch this, I just want to confirm that the electric has been switched off. Anyway, so in previous videos you've seen me putting some masking tape over, the sockets. Now the thing is, it does actually work very effectively, but as you can see here, look, I've been a little bit careless, and there's one or two little splashes on there. I've also noticed that I have got bits of bonding, bits of plaster on the cables, obviously all of which needs cleaning up. So I did actually try something else. It's got nothing over here, look, to show you. So I started clearing these up. So there's another example, look, there's a bit of crap in there where I haven't been particularly careful. So it occurred to me that there might be a slightly better way of doing this. I'll reset the camera and I'll get back to you. And what I've done on one or two of the other sockets is to use something else to actually cover them up. So as you can see, these are pretty effective, using this masking tape, but you still get your droppages. That's a real word. Still do drop bits of gunk on them, and they still need a little bit of a clean. So basically the question is there a better way of doing it? Well, I think there is, and I've actually tried it on some of the other sockets and it works very well. And basically just a case of using some cling film. Now I'm absolutely dreadful with this stuff. I can never get it out, I can never tear it properly. Always end up with sort of like a strip about 3 or 4 inches long. So they say practice makes perfect. So what I've been doing then is, this is not a very good demo, is it? But anyway, I've been covering up the sockets with cling film, and it works really, really well because it completely encapsulates the socket. You can pull it tight. Now, I did also consider using Ziploc bags, but they tend to get in the way unless you get something which virtually fits the size perfectly. And of course, if you did want to keep everything together a little bit better, that covers absolutely everything. You can see that, and it covers the wiring, most of the wiring at the back there as well. And this is just sort of like a nice, quick, convenient way of covering up your plugs. If you're worried that the cling film isn't sticking very well, to be fair, you can always get a bit of tape. Just chuck it on there, look, and that will cover your sockets very, very effectively indeed. So anyway, just a little tip to share with you. So it works for me, I'm sure it'll work for you guys as well. Thank you for watching.